Have you ever made a decision that you knew deep down was the wrong one? And maybe you ignored your gut feeling and went against your intuition, only to regret it later. It's a common experience, but the good news is that you can learn to trust your intuition and make better decisions in life. Here are 6 tips on how to trust your intuition and make better life decisions. Number 1, listen to your gut feeling. Your gut feeling is your intuition speaking to you. It's that feeling in your stomach that tells you whether something is right or wrong. When faced with a decision, take a moment, check in with your inner world, be still and see what it's telling you. Number 2, pay attention to your emotions. Now, whilst I don't think it's a good idea to allow your emotions to run your life completely, at the same time we shouldn't ignore these priceless inner signs. It's a matter of discerning between the emotional noise and the helpful signals. If something feels off, or makes you feel anxious or uncomfortable, it's a sign that it may not be the best decision for you. On the other hand, if something feels exciting or joyful, then it's a sign that it may be the right decision for you. Number 3, practice stillness. Stillness allows for insight to rise to the surface. When we reduce distractions and clutter, we give space for inspired thought and decision making. By practicing stillness, you quieten the noise of the outside world and can tune into your inner voice. This will help you recognize patterns and insights that may have been buried beneath the surface. Number 4, trust yourself. Learning to trust your own instinct is an essential part of living intuitively and making better decisions. When you know who you are on a deep level, you know instinctively what the best decision is for you. You don't second guess yourself because you know who you are and what feels right for you. Number 5, let go of fear. Fear can paralyze us from making decisions. We may fear that we're making the wrong decision, but in reality, there is never a wrong decision. All decisions, whether you class them right or wrong, take us down a necessary path of learning and growth, so that we have better information available to us when the same decision comes along in the future. And number 6, practice self-care. Taking care of ourselves is essential to trusting our intuition and making better decisions. When we're tired, stressed, or overwhelmed, it's harder to tune into our inner wisdom and make sound choices. By practicing self-care, by getting enough sleep, eating well, and taking time for ourselves, we can create a solid foundation for listening to our intuition and making better life decisions. Trusting your intuition and making better life decisions is a process, but it's one that's worth the effort. By listening to your gut feeling, paying attention to your emotions, practicing stillness, trusting yourself, letting go of fear, and practicing self-care, you can tap into your inner wisdom and make decisions that are in alignment with your true self. So the next time you're faced with a decision, take a moment to tune into your intuition and see what insights it has to offer. You may be surprised at the clarity and wisdom it can provide. If you're struggling with a lack of direction in life right now, don't despair, help is at hand. My free 14-day intuition upgrade program is designed to take you on a journey of self-discovery so that you can reconnect with your innate purpose in life. For more information and to sign up, just visit adamstansbury.com.